Yo, what is up guys, welcome to this video. So if your search-based YouTube channel is dying towards the end of 2026 recently, okay, then I have a solution for you that you can implement straight after this video. So if we just hop onto YouTube real quick and go to a blank homepage and we type something in, because I know a lot of you watching my channel are in that how to apps niche, okay, covering how to delete Facebook, how to remove friends on Instagram. Okay, so if we just type something like how to delete Facebook account, okay, without password, just as an example, you can see that the top channels are dominating. That's pretty normal, but you'll notice there's just tons and tons of smaller channels that just pop up, they upload, and somehow they take your rankings. So it's becoming less and less effective unless you get those sniper topics and you really outrank everybody with an unknown topic with a lot of search volume. So you can see there's just all these other channels popping up because this is getting much more saturated towards the end of 2025. We can do another topic, how to delete Instagram account permanently. Okay, and you'll see all these new these are old verified channels, but you'll see all these newer channels that also do the same thing. So this sort of niche is very saturated. It always has been saturated, but now it is much more saturated. So what you want to do now is something a little bit different to what everybody else is doing, because if you just keep uploading the same stuff that everybody else is uploading, you like trying to swim in this massive pond and you are going to struggle to get views. So you have to branch out and do something that the other smaller channels aren't necessarily doing. And now this may have a little bit more barrier to entry, but it's going to pay off much better in boosting your channel back up there to your original earnings and your original views per month. Okay, so what you can do is go after, instead of doing like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and stuff like that, all the different apps, you can do something completely different. And if you go to this website called partnerstack.com, you can just go to partnerstack.com and you can create a free account, and this is an affiliate network that's going to show you a whole bunch of software tools, which is great because that is high RPM topics. That's going to allow you to get a higher RPM, and not a lot of channels are actually covering these topics. Okay, and what you can also do to boost your income even more is to put these affiliate links in the description of these particular videos, so you can earn affiliate commissions once you sign up for their affiliate program. So PartnerStack is great. If you come here to discover partnerships, okay, you can see that if you do videos about Snapchat for business, let's just test this. Let's go into an incognito tab and click on YouTube. Okay, so if you're outsourcing these videos, these types of videos are going to be anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. So we're going to scratch completely the 1 to 2 minute tutorials and do something completely different than everybody else. So, and the more of these software tools that you find that have a high search volume and are not a lot of channels are covering, the better you're going to do. So Snapchat for business, and we're gonna just simply put how to in the beginning. Okay, how to use Snapchat for business. That's one video you can do. How to create Snapchat for business, how to create Snapchat account for business. Okay, so if you click on this, you can see that Snapchat itself is ranking number 1 with 157,000 views. Snapchat ranking again, straight to the point ranking. And you can see that these channels, all the other social media how-to apps channels, aren't even in this list. Okay, so this is a whole list of new competitors that you can actually go after. So you can see you want to obviously do the search bar method with all these topics, and you want to qualify each keyword to see if it's worth your time. So you can see something like 58 views. Let's check out this channel. Say it's got 114k, okay, 507 videos. Is this a search-based channel? We can check how to view. Okay, all these videos aren't getting a lot of views, but he's doing the regular type of stuff. But Snapchat for Business is a high RPM topic. So this could make, if you get 58,000 views, divide that by 1,000. Okay, that's 58, and let's just say it has an $8 RPM. That's $464 for that particular video that he made, which is great. So that's just one of them. Okay, that's just one of the software, Snapchat for Business. Then you can do videos about ManyChat, Webflow, okay, websites, monday.com, lead pages, and you can click this explore all, okay, and you're gonna see a whole bunch of other ones that pop up. So let's see if that loads. Let me just refresh this. Okay, so that didn't work. Let me just, okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, add creative.ai air call. So you can see you've pretty much probably never heard of these before. Apollo AI, Brevo. Okay, let's just take one random one here. Let's say credit repair cloud. Okay, or deal front. What is this? Find and target the right accounts, prompt for conversion. Okay, deal front. Let's check that out. Let's go to an incognito, and some of these aren't going to have any sort of search volume whatsoever. But let's just see how to use deal front. Okay, let's see if there's any other ones. You pick the how to use deal front, okay, so this one isn't that popular. But if, for an example, you take ManyChat, for an example, how to ManyChat. Okay, let's do this. How to use ManyChat on your Facebook page, how to use ManyChat on Instagram for free. Okay, this is perfect. This is like a chat bot, and this is getting views right here. 26k, 49k, 24k, and these are basically high RPM topics that you can cover, and you can see all those other how-to channels are not there. So go to Partner Stack, create a free account, and you'll be able to see hundreds and hundreds of software tools. And I highly recommend that you sign up to the affiliate program of these tools, and then just stick with it. Upload these high RPM videos, and you won't need a lot of views to make your original income that you are making per month. But this is how do you say this? This is not going to get saturated, because not a lot of people are doing this. This is thinking outside the box. Not a lot of people are covering such things like Social Bee, Surfer, Thinkific. Okay, and sign up to the affiliate program. Put the link in your description, and this is how you're going to revive your dead search-based channel. So if you want to go into more detail on this type of stuff, search-based YouTube, go ahead, click the first link in the description of this video. That's going to take you to my free school community, where I'm planning free courses, free live calls, call recordings, and that. So you make sure to get in that early right now in the free school community. And don't forget to like this video if you got value. Subscribe down below and comment if you're going to implement this method to revive your dead search-based channel. I'll see you in the next video.